So we have had 225 cases over the last 14 days. Our average cases per day is now 16. So that is the lowest it has been in a long, long time. So we're happy to see that. Looking at our vaccine distribution, you can see the breakdown by race, partially vaccinated versus fully vaccinated. And then you can see the breakdown by age group. We're seeing the biggest increase in our 12 to 17-year-olds and our 18 to 24-year-olds. Those groups we're close to 50% in 25 to 49-year-olds, and you can see we're over 50% partially vaccinated and fully vaccinated for those 50 and over. So our total population, 47% are partially vaccinated and 43% are fully vaccinated. And then you see in the left, 57% of adults in Forsyth County are now partially vaccinated. So we're trending up. My goal is that we hit 70%. To reach 70%, we would need 207,000 adults to be partially vaccinated. And right now we're just over 170,000 adults who are partially vaccinated. So we have 37,000 roughly individuals that need to be vaccinated. Well, obviously, even though our numbers are low, I'm concerned that as we get more and more back to normal, I'm concerned about those that aren't vaccinated. For people that are vaccinated, I think it's great getting back to normal, whether that's church, whether that's, I was listening to the radio, concerts are starting back, events, festivals. That's great. But I'll say what I said yesterday to a reporter is if you haven't been vaccinated, but in the past year before you had that protection of you because we were social distancing and you had less exposure most likely, and most people were wearing masks. 80-90% of the population was compliant and wearing a mask. Now those masks are going away, even though you're supposed to wear a mask if you're not vaccinated. We know that's probably not happening. So that protection that you had from others is now gone. So you need it more now than ever, because what COVID is out there, you're going to be exposed to it. And I'm also concerned about the variants that are out there. There's the Delta variant that came from India. We see it's in Great Britain, and it's the majority of their cases now are the Delta variant. But they're doing well over there because they've had such a high vaccine uptake in their population. 10% in the United States of the cases are the Delta variant. So if that proportion keeps going up, I have concerns about COVID among the unvaccinated.